What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are going to do gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of OnePlus 10R. Now before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Fluid OLED display. It has 120Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch response rate, that's hardware level, and 720Hz touch response rate in the software level. It comes with Corning Gorilla Glass and it has sRGB DisplayP3 10-bit color depth. It also has HDR10 Plus support and it comes in 20.1:9 aspect ratio. As for performance, it comes with Dimensity 8100 Max with Mali G610 MC6 GPU. It has octa-core processor with 4 Cortex A78 clocked at 2.85 GHz and 4 Cortex A55 clocked at 2.0 GHz. It has up to 12 GB LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256 GB UFS 3.1 storage. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery and it comes with 80 watts Super VOOC charger. Now this has dual stereo speakers and it also has noise cancellation support. Now here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two used lights on either side. Battery is at 72% and there's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 27 degrees. Let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 35 degrees, on the bottom it is 34 degrees, on the back it is 34 to 35 degrees and on the bottom it is 34 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Let's look at graphics. HDR graphics and ultra frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. Visuals are great and colors are also pretty good. Details are great, controls are pretty smooth. It has dual stereo speakers, so audio experience is immersive. And I couldn't notice any lag. It's been almost 16 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 38 degrees, on the bottom it is 37 degrees, on the back it is 37 to 39 degrees, and on the bottom it is 37 degrees. It's been a total of 16.5 minutes and the battery came down to 67%. The phone is slightly warm. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 5% of battery, which is good. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 27 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 42 to 43 degrees, on the bottom it is 39 degrees, on the back it is fluctuating from 39 to 44 degrees, I even saw 45, and on the bottom it is 38 to 39 degrees. Phone feels hot but not that hot. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 275 photos in 3 minutes. And that is good. And there is no throttling going on. Now this phone has great performance, visuals, audio, and the overall experience is pretty immersive. It is pretty good for gaming. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below. And I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.